In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Surveymonkey to Microsoft Excel for an easy and efficient integration. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to seamlessly merge survey data with Excel spreadsheets for further analysis or reporting. To get started, first you'll want to log into your Surveymonkey account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and anyone else with access not signed in on your device to avoid confusion. Once logged in, you'll need to select the specific survey from which you want to export your data. This could be a recent project or an ongoing survey where you need current data. Selecting the right survey from your list is crucial because this is the dataset that will be linked to Excel. Next, navigate to the Connect Apps section within Surveymonkey. The user interface is generally intuitive, but if you're having trouble, look for app integration options or similar terminology. Within this section, you'll find various app integrations. What you are looking for is under the Discover tab, where you should locate Microsoft Excel. This section hosts all available app connections, making Excel one of the most adaptable and beneficial integrations offered. Once you've found Microsoft Excel, select the Add Row to New quick action. This action allows new responses from your survey to automatically be added to your designated Excel spreadsheet. It's these automatic updates that many find particularly time-saving, ensuring that your Excel file is always up to date with the latest information. Now it's time to link your Surveymonkey account directly to Microsoft Excel. This connection involves specifying which particular workbook and worksheet you want the survey data to be sent to. Make sure you know the name and location of the Excel file. It's also the right step to decide on what data you'd like to include from Surveymonkey and apply any filters if necessary to tailor the dataset. Filters can be particularly helpful if you're interested in particular demographics or specific question responses. Finally, you should activate the quick action. This completes the setup, so from here on, every new response that comes into your survey on Surveymonkey will automatically populate into your specified Excel file. It's really that simple. This connection not only saves you time, but also reduces the manual errors that might come from copy-pasting data between programs. This integration can efficiently handle updates and scales with your data, making it an essential tool for effective data management. Whether you're a business professional, researcher, or just someone who likes to keep things organized, this integration can add significant value to your daily data handling tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it simplifies your data management processes. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.